My name is Justice. I'm from Nigeria, but I live in Sheffield. I work as a social activity leader. I have just finished my master's degree in teaching English to speakers of other languages, and since then I have been working as a freelance interpreter and also working part-time for some companies, interpretations and translation works too. My favorite part of this job has been meeting students from diverse cultures, diverse languages, students who have come from different parts of the world to learn English, seeing them with their enthusiasm and learning English as a foreign language, and interacting with them, seeing their challenges and seeing how some of them are able to improve and how they are helping themselves and how they are so enthusiastic about the activities and carrying on with the activities too. Working for English study camps is for me, I see it as a privilege because in English study camps you get the facilities for helping students learn English as a foreign language. Also, you meet the staff. You meet staff that are ready to help all the time. Here we have the state-of-the-art facilities too. Here you meet people, like I said earlier, people from diverse cultures. You learn cultures and you learn people's behavior too. You just have so many hands helping you to enjoy your job here. One information I would like to pass on to someone working here is to make judicious use of the opportunities. Because as a staff here, you have some privileges and some opportunities here. They are once in a lifetime opportunity. They could be once in a lifetime opportunities you could grab. You may not have the opportunity of working with people from different language backgrounds, working in a multilingual community like this. So I think for anyone wanting to work here next time, should try to put in his or her best, make an input, so that it will leave an indelible mark in the lives of the students you're helping to grow in their English.